How to fix to change stores you must first cancel your Apple Music subscription problem. If you're seeing the message to change stores you must first cancel your Apple Music subscription and you're unable to switch stores or change regions on your Apple ID, don't worry, I've got you covered. In today's video, I'll show you exactly how to fix this issue. First, let's make sure we check your Apple Music subscription. To change your App Store region or country, you need to cancel any active subscription like Apple Music or iCloud Stories. Simply go to Settings and tap on your name at the top and then find Subscriptions. In subscriptions, find Apple Music in the list and check if your subscription is active. If your subscription is active, you'll need to cancel it before you can change stores. Simply tap on Apple Music, then select Cancel Subscription. Follow the prompts to confirm the cancellation. Your subscription will remain active until the end of the current billing cycle, but after that, you should be able to switch your store or region. Now, keep in mind that it may take a little while for the cancellation to process. You can either wait until the subscription expires or you can try switching your region immediately after cancelling. If you've already cancelled, proceed to the next step. Now, once your subscription is cancelled or expired, now what you need to do is go to settings, simply tap on your name and select iTunes and iStore. App Store. If you cannot find it, simply search for it iTunes and App Store. Now, if you cannot find it, simply tap on your name again and tap on View Apple ID. And you may need to sign in with the Apple ID or Face ID. Simply tap on current country region and choose a new country or region that you want to switch to. And follow the instructions to update your Apple ID's country settings. And that's it. That's how you successfully cancel your Apple Music subscription and change your store region and update it.